All right. Today is three. Day three of my Path to Profitable series here. Um, it's a Saturday, so obviously the markets are closed. But that doesn't mean I mean, that doesn't mean that we can't still trade, we just can't do it on the live markets. So what we got to do is go and back test. All right, back test. So I'm just going to take you guys through a little back testing session of what I do typically, just like on my free time or just like the off days, to make sure I'm still staying sharp and ready for the new week. So I just go through my daily stuff. I'll mark out previous sessions here. I'll go and mark out the highs, go and mark out the lows, and then I'll go and mark out draws and liquidity I think price will go to. So let's see here. Boom, boom. Or anything to the upside? Possibly, maybe. It's not even really like, but if it did go, it would go here. Oh, all right. Anyways. Yeah, there's not too much to the upside on this one. So, you know, that's on ES. Switch to NQ here. Go 15-minute. Bada bing, bada boom. But yeah, I usually like to just, honestly, backtesting has been really fun. Because it's like, don't gotta really wait for price to load. It's kind of already there, which is kind of lit. Because on the actual market, you gotta freaking wait. Yeah, so look at this. Way more draws of liquidity to the downside here. Not really any draws to the upside. I guess right here is actually not bad. Oh, that's like 3 equal highs. Okay. 3 equal highs on NASDAQ here. So maybe NASDAQ will want to come out and take this out early. But let's see here. Let's see what price ends up doing. Just gotta wait. Let it play out here. I have bearish bias on the day just because there's not much to the upside. So hopefully comes and takes out that. But boom. All right. And there's already one day of price action done. Didn't see the movement I wanted to see by 10:30. Got to train the brain to get off the chart at that time. We're just going to go ahead and skip to the next day here. Boom. And the good thing about trade Zella on the backtesting is they literally let you just skip to the start of New York session. It's pretty lit. So 8 a.m. It's actually like a lot more helpful. I was doing FX replay, which is really good. But it's just like, why do that when you literally have, software already inside of the program you're using to track your trades? It's like you can get it all in one spot. So that's why I'm going with took out those equal highs. Yeah, nothing really to the upside here, but I mean, could be just continuation. We'll have to look out for that. See what happens. I can feel that you love me, baby. I'm not gonna try to make this video too long because honestly, back testing, I guess it could get kind of boring, and it's not like something. It's not as fun as actually trading the markets. So yeah. I'll probably make this like into just episodes. Like, come on, tomorrow obviously is gonna be Sunday. I'm gonna want to back test tomorrow. So baby, baby, I'm not listening. I can feel that you love me, baby. Okay, it looks like price is gonna come and take this out. So yeah, consolidate it. It's making a little bit of moves up here, maybe some manipulation, but nothing too crazy. Okay, broke above. Let's see. Boom. Like that. Oh wait. Low-key, let's go back here to the start of open here. Let's see where it actually breaks. Because it's breaking, but I want to see like a reverse here. So boom, off rip goes and takes out that high. Boom. Boom. Breaks structure to the downside. Opens up with a fair value gap there. Just want to see what ES is doing or NASDAQ's doing as well. NASDAQ is doing the same thing. And just broke structure there. This is a lot cleaner though, I'm not gonna lie. Go on the one here, wait for a break of structure to the downside. Oh, tested. Let's see here. I'd wait to see possibly this get inverse. Holy big rip. And I guess I'll wait for this one. If this can rip through, I guess I could go off of that, honestly. What's a 5 minute looking like? See, what is a 5? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I probably would have stayed on the 1 minute there. I don't know. Guess I can't fake it really. Stay on the 1 minute, break of structure, I'll go in. Okay. How's NASDAQ looking? NASDAQ's looking good. About the same. No SMTs that I'm looking at here. Good, good, good. Okay. I think I'm gonna go on NASDAQ here. Depends what it's looking like, but let's see. Equal highs? Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. That's not good. But these 3 equal lows, bro. Definitely shorting that. Yeah. Go here on NASDAQ. And 11. We'll go a little bit higher because there's equal highs. But there's 3 equal lows on. I can feel that you love me, baby. Pretty good there. I'll go break even at this. Just because, yeah, not too sure what I'll see here. Come on. Keep going down. Fuck. Fuck. Let's see what price does here. Okay. Yeah, good thing we went break even there. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad there. Let's see. What did it look like on ES? What did ES do? ES wasn't that much better. Okay, that's not bad though. That's not bad though. You know, I'm not mad at that because like, you know, broke even and then take a break even trade there. Yeah, just gotta hop out after that point, bro. Let's see what the market ends up doing off this. And versus now it wants to go all the way down, huh? Now it wants to go take out liquidity to the downside, of course, bro. It's just always how it works, huh? I think that's why it's so important to wait for prices to yeah, but it did mitigate that. When did it target that? That was, yeah, 10:45, you know? That's not bad. That's not a bad trade. Just didn't work out. Boom. All right, let's see. Go new day here. Got London session, Asian session. Let's mark out the highs and the lows here. Go draws liquidity to the downside once again. Look at all these. All that LR, bruh. Definitely gonna be trying to go after those, no doubt. That's just too big of a draw to not want to go hit. Let's see, 930 there. Let's go see here. Equal, relative equal high. Kind of got that same setup right there. And then just a bunch of these fair value gaps that just got left in a big rip up. So definitely bearish bias here on the day. Yeah, nothing to really target either, to be honest. Nothing to really target on ES. NASDAQ, same thing. Nothing to target there. So yeah, I think after seeing this, like a big rip up like this, definitely want to wait for some reversals here. So perfect. Let's see. Baby, baby, I'm not listening, yeah. I can feel that you love me, baby. Go get a rip up here. Fuck. Fuck. Hate that. Can wait long enough. The fuck? That's on the 1 minute. Let's go back to the start real quick. When I see these like free markets, I think I should just go on the 5 minute. That's something that I just need to take a peek at. Let's see here. What does it do on the 5? Just chopping, chopping, chopping. Big move down. Okay, let me see. What is... Oh. Oh. So boom. Right off rip. NASDAQ comes and takes out that low. Yeah, staying very high above it. Big rip down. Big rip down. Big rip up. Right there. Right there is what you see. Boom, 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 boom. ES leading. Go on the 1 minute here. Where you wait for fully liquidity taken out. Fully liquidity taken out, bro. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. Okay. Ideally, longs would be right here. Stops underneath this low. I'd have to just go for a 1-to-1, to be honest. I probably wouldn't even trade this, honestly. I would probably wait for a reversal. But it banged though, but it banged. We did have this long ass wick. That would have been a gnarly trade. That's just not like something I want to see though, you know? But it's like the SMT at the lows. But then it went and hit this top here, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I can feel that you love me. That's just I feel like that's just the trades we gotta miss out on. That's just not pretty, you know? Not pretty. Like it did hit though. I wonder if it's probably just gonna keep going up from here. Yeah. Gnarly. Gnarly. Yeah. That would have been a good trade. Um, but you know, it is what it is here. Oh, didn't mean to open that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Like, no, I need to take a trade on stream. I need to one of the trades is gotta hit, you know. That would have been a good trade to take. I don't know why I didn't take that, to be honest. Don't know why I didn't take that. Can feel that you love me. That's just not the cleanest price action that I want to see. Yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, this shit's tweaking, bro. I'm not even cap. It is tweaking. Okay. Okay. Curious here. What's going on here? Something's happening with this shit, bro. And it's about to piss me off. Here, boom. Here we'll go there, boom. Draws on liquidity. We have this right here, boom. Fat draw on liquidity right there. We have another one right there. And we'll go right there. Just keep it. Get rid of that one. I don't know if there's anything to the upside. I think we're at all-time highs at this point in trading. So this would have been just when I started trading last year, actually. Just around this time. Friday, June 27th. I think I opened up a demo account on June. Oh no, it was July. July 28th, I think, is the day that I opened up a demo account to learn how to trade. So we're low-key full circle momenting here. I can feel that you love me, baby. There we go. Two relatively equal lows. Or just low resistance, not relatively equal. Boom. Those are good draws for me. Let's see what price ends up doing here. Oof. 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 Okay. Big rip. Big rip up. Perfect. That's what we like to see here. Let's wait for some reversals here. Ooh, keeps going. Okay. Uh, uh, uh. Nothing, bro. A little choppy and choppy and choppy. Uh, 35. Okay. All right. On to the next day. Oh, look at that. Big draws. A big rip up means we get some big rips down. That's good. Wrong with this, bro? It's making my job way harder. This is a good market open that I want to see. This looks like we have some liquidity that wants to get hit. This looks good. Okay, if we don't get a banger trade on this, man, I don't even know. But sometimes it be like that, I swear, bro. Sometimes it dead be like that where you just like everything looks like it's setting up to be like a gnarly day. And then it just doesn't hit. Just chops. So let's hope that's not what's happening here today. Okay, mark everything out here. I can feel that you love me, baby. Baby, baby, I'm not listening to love. And I think we're still at all-time highs here. There's like no draws to the upside, really. So solid, solid. So yeah, we could see here, big rips up, a little bit of consolidation. Now we wait for the reversal. We want to take out the top liquidity up here. We want to do that, and then we want to come and just go straight through here. Come on. Nasdaq, Nasdaq smoking on it. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You didn't, bro. No, you did not. What the price want to do? What the price want to do? Nothing. It's choppy. It's choppy. Holy fuck. All right, let's go. One more round. See if we can catch anything. Sometimes I don't even like, I mean, I'll say most of the times I wait to get like a good. Most of the times I wait to get a trade before hopping off. But I'm fucking tired, bro. Can't even lie. But motherfucker, I'd rather be tired than doing this shit than fucking having energy and being mad fucking comfortable at a shitty ass fucking job, bro. So we got to do this. Holy fucking draw on liquidity. Holy fucking draw on liquidity. Damn, in both directions too. That's nuts. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Oh, just the two of us. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just the two of us. Okay, good draw there. Good draw up here. Good draw down, I mean up there. Stacked. Stacked. Alright, bet. Let's go ahead and see here. Nasdaq smoking on some gas pack. Boom, takes out all the draws. We going up. We going up, bro. We going up. Holy hell, man. Holy hell. Wait here. Got these two draws. And Nasdaq has yet to take, or yeah, Nasdaq has took out. ES has not. We could make it if we try, just two of us. A little bit too early for me to trade though. Okay. 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 I don't know what the fuck that is. Easy money. Easy money. At this point, I'm going in. Hold up, I'm tweaking. Hold up, I'm tweaking, I'm geeking, I'm tweaking, I'm geeking, I'm tweaking, I'm geeking. Boom. Not only though, do we get this fair value gap. Holy fuck, bro. I might crash. I might crash out. I might crash out. I don't know what's wrong with this fucking thing. I would just do this right here. I would just do this to see where my entry's at. Oh, you goat. You goat. Okay. Hmm. I like that. I like that a lot. We go here. 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 We can do it if we try. Actually, that's kind of fucking scary, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's go down to this swing low here. Would much rather do that. That's 600. But the big draw on liquidity is up here. Fuck, that's what I hate about fucking ES, bro. Look how much I have to fucking trade to get up here. I literally have to have a banger fucking trade. And then on NASDAQ, let me see what would the trade look like here. NASDAQ would be like this, bro. NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack. I can just go NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack right here, bro. Let me see. What is ES looking like? I'm up in profit. I'm up in profit. Like, bro. And then NASDAQ, I could literally probably just do this. But the risk is heavier on NASDAQ. So like the stop loss here. Check me out. Oh, 470 is actually not bad. But also look at that on NASDAQ. You know what I'm saying? So much further from the top than where ES is. But let's play it out on both. Fuck, I'm screwed. 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 Wonder what happened on ES. Fuck, I'm still up. Let me go break even on these hoes, bro. Come on, gang. fuck? Oh my god, bro. Break even. Lost some money. Now let's see. Where could I have did better on this? First of all, this is on ES. There's not the best draw on liquidity to the upside. On NASDAQ, there is, though. NASDAQ is equal highs up here. A fat fucking draw of liquidity there. And we're at all-time highs. You know, what can you fucking expect? And we created this SMT at the motherfucking lows. But price decided to want to fuck me today. And hit this. And boom, of course, now that it hit that, what shall it do? Shall now go in reverse and hit all my fucking profits, bro. Dude, I should fucking kill. Fucking kill. You guys fucking suck. Can't be mad though, you know, we had a SMT at the lows. I went, I took a trade. Ooh, that might be what the fuck right there. Wait, let me see. Yep, that is what fucked me right there, bro. Oh, I shouldn't have took the trade on NASDAQ, first of all, with the SMT going for what the fuck its name, but also boom to boom. SMT at my break-even point. Holy fucking smokes. Or actually right here. Holy fucking smokes. SMT there. With NASDAQ having the SMT right here. But fuck NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack. Where did they come and take my... Where did they come and take it? Of course you guys gonna fucking be stupid fuck. Hey, you know, at the end of the day, these losing trades mean nothing to me. These losing trades mean nothing to me. Because when I go back on the trade, I'm up with a 60% win rate. They're not including the break-even trades. Okay, I'm up. So, holy fuck. I've back tested fucking 28 hours so far on this account. 3 months. That's a grind. Boom, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, did my work for the day. I'll probably here and there do some more back testing, but as of right now, I do not do any more back testing. I go and chill and I have good time, okay? Because I have work later. Unfortunately, I have to go to that 9 to 5 bullshit for now, you know. Sooner or later, though, we out. We out. You just gotta do this. Be consistent. Path to fucking profitable. Day 3 in the books. I'll be back tomorrow with a day 4 doing more back testing and just showing you guys what I do on the so-called off days, you know? It's never an off day. Never a fucking off day, all right? Fuck. If anyone tells you there's a fucking off day, they're fucking lying to you. Okay? Just want to make that fucking clear. All right? All right, guys. Hey, it was good talking to you guys. Deuces.